Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use iCloud storage for photos. Using iCloud storage for photos is a great way to keep your photos and videos backed up and accessible across all your Apple devices. Here's how you can set up and use iCloud storage for your photos. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Tap on iCloud. Tap Photos. Toggle on iCloud Photos. This will automatically upload and store your photos and videos in iCloud, so you can access them from any device. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Now, let's choose storage settings for your photos. You have two options. Optimize iPhone storage. This option saves space on your iPhone by keeping smaller versions of your photos and videos on your device, while the full resolution versions are stored in iCloud. Download and keep originals. This option stores the original, full resolution photos and videos on your devices as well as in iCloud. To choose one, go to the settings, your iCloud name, iCloud, photos, and choose either optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals. By following these steps, you can effectively use iCloud storage to manage and access your photos, ensuring they are safely backed up and available across all your devices. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.